If you're a visual storyteller, you know your portfolio is everything. It's where potential clients, employers, collaborators, and fans go to see your work. And in this video, we'll look at how to build one. Let's get into it. Your portfolio is your creative resume. It speaks before you do. Whether you're applying for a job, pitching to a client, or growing on social media, a strong portfolio opens doors. So let's talk about how to select, present, and update your best work professionally. In the next 7 minutes, we'll run through some tips from experts, real-world examples, and everything you need to put together an outstanding portfolio, whether you're just starting out or looking to make changes. Let's start with the basics. What should you actually include? First, show only your strongest, most relevant work. Don't try to please everyone. Focus on quality over quantity. Next, include different types of work. If you usually shoot interviews but also have experience shooting promos, music videos, and even some documentary work, don't shy away from showing that range, including multiple genres. Lets viewers see your versatility and sparks their imagination about all the ways you could help them achieve their goals. And finally, consider creating a quick 30 to 60-second shower reel that highlights your best moments. People often watch shower reels on repeat and share them with others. So make those first few seconds count. Now that you know what to include, let's talk about what not to include. Work you didn't do. Don't pad your portfolio with other people's work, even if it was for a well-known client. That includes B-roll shots you took but weren't directly responsible for. This is your time to shine. Show off your skills and let people see why they should hire you. Oh, and watch out for copyright restrictions when choosing music for your shower reel or including in a portfolio piece. A great place to start is by searching for royalty-free tracks. Next, let's talk about presentation. Here are 4 tips to showcase your work effectively. First, add brief captions or descriptions for each project. This could include the client's name, your role on the project, the tools used, and the goal you were trying to reach. Viewers will appreciate not having to guess, and you'll come across as more professional. Next, use established platforms like Behance, Vimeo, YouTube, or a personal website to host your portfolio. Each has its own pros and cons, so take some time to research which one fits you best. While some platforms are free to use, others require a monthly fee or annual subscription. Many offer various plans with different features and storage options. And remember, your portfolio lives online, so you want your work to look good. So choose a platform that offers high-quality image and video display and storage. Here's a pro tip. Whether you decide to go with a personal website or another platform, make sure it has clean design and loads quickly on mobile devices. That means avoiding busy animations or large file sizes that bog down the page. Potential clients and collaborators are busy people. They won't stick around if your portfolio takes too long to load. And now let's talk about some bonus tips. First, make sure your portfolio is up to date and represents your best work. As you grow and change, be willing to replace older work with stronger recent projects. Remember, this is a reflection of your current skill set, so keep it fresh and focused. Next, make it easy for people to get in touch. Add a Contact Me section or call to action at the end of your shower reel or portfolio. You can also include contact information in the description of each project. Remember, you're trying to make things easy for people. They have to dig to find a way to contact you. They may lose interest. And finally, here's a bold tip. Share your work widely. Post your portfolio on social media, include it in your email signature, and send it to potential clients directly. Don't wait for opportunities to come to you. Go out and find them. To recap, a portfolio showcases your best work, shows your versatility, and makes it easy for people to contact you. Now that you know what to include and how to present it, let's talk about how to shoot for your portfolio. We've got a whole video on that. There are 3 main types of content you'll probably include in your portfolio. Photos, short-form video, and long-form video. When shooting photos, follow these tips from our friends at GoPro. First, use natural motion blur to convey movement and action. Now, this is where a high frame rate comes in handy. Shooting at a higher frame rate allows you to slow down the footage in post-production, giving you more control over the look and feel of your final edit. Next, use the rule of thirds to compose your shots. This means dividing your frame into 9 equal parts and placing your subject or points of interest along those lines or at the intersections. This creates a balanced and visually appealing composition. And finally, pay attention to lighting. Soft, even lighting can help your subject stand out and create a more polished look. Shoot test photos on your camera to see how light affects your images and adjust accordingly. When it comes to short-form video, think about including behind-the-scenes B-roll and client testimonials. These can be shot on your phone, so don't stress about breaking out the big gear. Just make sure your footage is high quality. And finally, for longer-form projects like interviews and documentaries, it's important to capture high-quality audio and video. Invest in a good microphone and shoot test footage on your camera to make sure your settings are correct. The better your footage and audio are, the easier it will be to edit together a compelling story. We hope these tips give you the confidence to start building your portfolio, or more inspiration and guidance. Check out our channel and let us know in the comments below how you're feeling about putting together your portfolio. In the next episode, we'll explore gear essentials. What tools you really need to shoot professionally. So make sure you hit subscribe and ring the bell to stay notified. Hey, we're almost done. We just have a couple more things to cover. First, we know that creators like you come to us with questions. Our team of experts is ready to help with anything from production challenges to post-production questions and everything in between. You can schedule a free consultation to connect with an expert. Next, need to edit your portfolio pieces or have an upcoming project that needs a soundtrack? Check out our free stock music and sound effects platform. With thousands of tracks to choose from, you're sure to find the perfect fit for your project. Thanks for joining us for another episode. See you soon.